Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, I am Sasi and welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. So in this video I'll be going to show you how to convert text on image into editable text. So let's begin the tutorial. So here I have a file, image file, and it has a text on it. So since it's an image file, so it's not possible to copy or edit the text on this image. So if I want to copy or want to edit the text on this image, what I need to do is open a web browser and go to google.com and log in to Google Drive account by clicking here and clicking on Drive, and now log in using my Gmail account. Now I need to upload this image file into my Google Drive account by clicking on New and click on File Upload and select the image. After the image is uploaded into my Google account, now right click on the image and click on Open, and now select Google Docs. So Google Drive has its own documents viewer and editor. So this will open with built-in documents viewer and also has a built-in OCR options. So when we upload the image which has text on it, it converts it into an editable text. You can see here image on the text is converted into an editable text. So here I can edit and change any text from this. From here I can edit and copy the text. So in this way you can easily convert text on the image into an editable text from the Google Drive. So if you are finding this video useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.